Hello, our lovely learners. Warm welcome to you today. My name is Julia and this is English with BisermO. In this video, we are going to tell about how to form questions in present simple tense. Let's get started and learn about this together. First, I hope you don't forget about our supportive or auxiliary verbs do and does. They play an important part to form questions. As we remember, positive or affirmative sentences are formed using the subject and the verb. For example, the boys swim every day. You drive a car. If we want to ask a question and get the answer yes or no, to form questions, we put do on the first position before the subject, and only after that we put a subject. And after that, of course, a verb. For example, do the boys swim every day? Do you drive a car? As you can see in these examples, we added do at the beginning of the sentences. And our question is ready. We remember that he, she, and it require ending s or es at the end of the verb. For example, she cooks at home. He drives a car. It rains a lot. To form questions, we put does on the first position before the subject. And after that, we put subjects. And after that, a verb without ending s or es. In questions, don't put s or es at the end of the verb. We don't need it. For example, does she cook at home? Does he drive a car? Does it rain a lot? Please compare sentences. She cooks at home. Here you put s at the end of the verb. It's a question. Does she cook at home? Here our verb cook is without s. In questions, don't put s at the end of the verb. You don't need it. But of course, when we ask questions, we want to know answers. Do the boys swim every day? If my answer is positive, I reply, yes, they do. If my answer is negative, I reply, no, they don't. Does she cook at home? Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't. Does he drive a car? Yes, he does. Or no, he doesn't. Also, to form questions to get more information, we use question words, such as where, when, why, who, which, how, what. When we use the word where, we want to know about locations, places. We use the word when to know about time. We use the word why to know the reason. We use the word who to know about people. We use the words which, what to ask information about things. We use the word how to ask or discuss the method or process by which something occurs or it's completed. In this case, when we have our question words, we put them on the first position. After that, we put do or does, a subject, and a verb. For example, where do the boys swim every day? And the answer, they swim in the lake. When do the boys swim? They swim on Sundays. Why does she cook at home? She cooks at home because she likes it. As you can see, it's in a structure where each word has a part in the sentence. But it's a bit different with the question word who. Have a look at this example. Who drives the car? He drives the car. Who cooks dinner? I cook dinner. Here we ask questions to the subject and we do this. We don't need to add do or does. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Goodbye.